This question says, giving a test to a group of students, the grades and gender are summarized below. So we have this table, students and their grades. If one student is chosen at random, find the probability the student was female or got a C. Female or got a C. Well, let's make sure that we're really clear on what the different parts of the table mean. For example, these 19 people, what do we know about them? They're males who got an A on the exam, on the test. What about these 13 people? They're females who got an A on the test. What about these 17? They're males who got a B. These 7 are females who got a B. These 11 are males who got a C. And these 3 are females who got a C. All right, now we're ready for the question. It says that female or C. So, or, you always circle a T, well, let's do it like this, a T or L pattern. So in other words, I'm going to circle all the females and all the people who got C's. It's all those people, right? Because we're saying a student is chosen random. We want them to come out. What's the probability they come out to be a person that was either a female or got a C? Well, these people are all females. Any of these would be a female, and any of these people would be people that got C's. I'm not circling any of the total rows because that's going to be like everything added up. I just want the individuals. So the answer is going to be then 13 plus, here, let me do the red. I'll try to stay with the colors. 13 plus 7 plus 3, and then plus 11 divided by the total, 70. So if you add that together, 21, 31, 34, or 70, and then divide that on your calculator, which I'm doing right now, throw it over 70, coming out to be 0.48571. And they said 4 decimal places. So I went 1 past that. So there's 4 decimal. This is a 1, so that means you just leave it. 0.4857. There we go. There's the answer to 4 decimal places. In other words, there's a 48% chance or maybe closer to 49% chance that a person chosen at random is going to be either a female or somebody that got a C. Because that's 34 of the students. It's all the people that are females. If you said to them, hey, are you a female or got a C? If they're females, they go, yeah. And all these people are people that got C's. So those are all the females and got C's. Yeah, we did it in an L pattern. And it could be a T or an L. Whenever you have or, you circle in a T or L pattern. And so there we go.